All right, so this video is ranking the best AI agents, and I'm ranking this off of creative output, fluency, and scalability. So, and this doesn't mean that any other AI model is like worse than the other. This is just ranking off of, creative output, scalability, and fluency. Okay. So as of right now, in the month of March, the best creative model for all what I just said is possibly Claude. But here's a catch though. Claude is good at precise context. Okay? So that means if you're putting in creative input, it will help you correlate all you have, all your ideas, kind of push away what is not necessary, or the way I set mine up, and kind of get you in the right direction of taking small baby steps and scale. And Fluent because it's able to give you a bigger picture. All right, next. I want to say the second best the second best AI agent. I want to say Manus. Manus is a new one I started trying, and it is very unique because it's like very powerful. I haven't even scaled the whole capabilities because it's mad expensive. But when I did try the free trial, I was able to get a lot of research done. I was able to get a lot of context in, and I was able to get a lot of like framework in a little bit of time. That's all I'm gonna say about Manus. Third, I want to give it to ChatGPT. I'm not gonna speak too much about ChatGPT too long, but ChatGPT, it's different from Claude because ChatGPT is able to, I feel like it's more broad, but it is more relatable in a sense. So take it for what it is. And last one, obviously there's honorable mention. I'll give an honorable mention. I would give that to DeepSeek. DeepSeek is not really that creative, but it gives you like facts. I don't know why I feel like it gives you facts. It's just unbiased facts. So it's unbiased, and it's not going to give you anything that's going to sugarcoat you unless you tell it to. All right. And the last one, the best creative output model, I would say as of right now, is it's a difference between if you want to generate, and there's a difference between if you want I would just say something like a love art. It's called love art, but there's a lot of different models like it. But it's like an agent that basically you can use that one agent and you can design multiple things and like inside of that agent, and it's very scalable. It's like, let's think of it as like Adobe, but on like crack. But yeah, that's my ranking. So we're gonna have Claude, Manus, ChatGPT, the honorable mention, which was forgot already, and then last one was love art. So yeah, have a good one.